Hello friends. So till now on VBA for beginners, I have given 22 examples and this is the 23rd example. So how to execute this VBA code, we are going to see this. So I am copying this code, 3 lines of codes, opening one Excel application and creating one new blank workbook. So in this new blank workbook, we have only one sheet. Selecting right click on this, click on this view code. As of now, there is no module in this. So I will just make arrangement of this Excel side by side with this VB editor on the right hand side and the Excel workbook is on the left hand side. So in this VBA editor now, we will just click on this insert to create a module. Insert module. So the module has come here. So in the module, I'm just pasting this code. So we have to verify this. Microsoft Visual Basic for application is the editor name. And this is book one is the, right now this Excel workbook is created newly. And the code is applicable for module one, which is available here. Now the code is sub count cells is the macro name, which you can see here also in this place, count cells. And this is the message box worksheet function dot count a range within the column itself, column A itself. So that has to be given within double quote A full colon A to A like this. So whatever is available in column A, it will just go and count it. Before this, we have to just check in A any item is there or not. Nothing is there right now because it is a fresh file. And I'm just, okay, now this local window, I'll just close it. I'll tell you what is local window later. So I'm running this. So message box says this, there is no count on this. Okay. I'll give okay now. So in A1, I'm going to type it A, not in A1 in the Excel, I'm going to type name. Okay. Now there is only one cell we have made the entry. So you come and run this program. You will be seeing this message as 1. So you are seeing only one cell is having the data. Next I will enter Ganesh, Vinay. So these are the two data now we have entered here. So but the name is also available in A1. So with that totally 3 cells are having the data. So when I run this program now, it will say 3 cells are there. Okay. So this is the simple example which is counting the data available in how many cells. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.